Okay guys, so I'm just washing the dishes and loading the dishwasher and stuff. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I'm learning how to be able to wash the dishes and load the dishwasher just like I did a few years ago when I was learning how to do that, and without my parents' assistance or anything. And so this year in 2024 has been kind of busy. I wasn't able to be able to get a summer job for money because, well, I may as well just wait until like next year to have a summer job. And yeah. Anyways, just scrubbing this plate off, and what I'll be doing is sometime next year, when I'm getting close to me, when college is over for me for the summer, then I should hopefully be able to go to any store or restaurant to talk with any manager at any company to be able to, and then yeah, just for my summer job. And because well, normally I would choose like Ace Hardware, or Walmart, whatever I would choose. And so, well, Walmart might be my only, or Ace Hardware will be where I went to many years ago, because it's the closest of where I want to work, and it's the closest to where I live and stuff. And yeah, and maybe sometime next year I'll be able to work at Ace Hardware, or it might be Walgreens. Whatever I pick, I might be working anywhere. That's some companies that are, and some businesses are the closest to where I live and stuff. So but anyways, I'm washing silverware and all the plates and dishes and bowls and stuff. So yeah, because I tell you right now, if what was it called? Yeah. Because I tell you right now, if I don't find a job sometime next summer, then I would make a mistake if I don't find one, and then next summer I would return to the working it, or return to be staying home a lot all summer and stuff. Yeah, return to staying home all summer without a job. But hopefully next year there will be better luck. And so the video that I made a couple hours ago was about me getting rid of some more VHS tapes, Disney VHS tapes, and Disney VHS tapes I'm getting rid of because Disney Plus is back on track now, because it's always better on the internet than just on VHS tapes, because VHS cassette tapes. Anyways, almost done. And so yeah. So I'm almost done. So, and this spoon is kind of dirty. And yeah, I kind of like old Disney movies and watch them. So, and the last thing is the spoon and stuff. Anyways, all done loading up the dishwasher, and grab the towel that I just dried my hands off and stuff. So, and once I do actually get a job, next summer maybe, then I'll be able to have a paycheck and just spend my own money on whatever I want, like, yeah. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video, and you know what, I'm just gonna put this towel in the oven, just for, yeah, just so it's easier. Anyways, see you guys in the next video, and I'm glad that you were able to watch this video of me cleaning the dishes and putting them in the dishwasher. Anyways, see you in the next video. Alright, bye.